Palestine-based Hamas militants launched a barrage of rockets on Israel on Saturday, infiltrating the towns near the Gaza Strip through land, air, and sea. As per reports, Palestinian fighters entered Israeli towns on boats, pickup trucks, and hang gliders. More than 200 Israelis have lost their lives in the ongoing conflict, and at least thousands have been wounded. In a recorded message, Hamas commander Mohammad Daif claimed that the outfit launched 5,000 rockets into Israel. Announcing the operation, Daif said, "We announced the start of Operation Al-Aqsa Flood, and we announced that the first strike, which targeted enemy positions, airports, and military fortifications, exceeded 5,000 missiles and shells." Though several rockets were intercepted by Israel's much-wanted Iron Dome missile defense system, many others landed in Israeli territories, leading to the bloodiest escalation in decades. The Iron Dome system has proved capable against defending rockets fired by Hamas, exploding them within the Gaza Strip. However, it is not yet clear how effective the system was in Saturday's attack. What is Israel's Iron Dome system? Israel's Iron Dome system is a short-range air defense system which is known to have a 96% success rate in intercepting rockets. The Iron Dome system is meant to protect populated areas and critical assets by neutralizing short-range aerial threats. The system was developed by state-owned Rafael Advanced Defense Systems with the backing of the United States in order to counter rockets fired by the terror group Hezbollah from Lebanon during the 2006 war and by Palestine's Hamas. The defense system can intercept targets in the airspace and perform fast, complex calculations to detect the trajectory, speed, and expected target of the rocket. It then uses these calculations to destroy the missiles in the air. The first battery was deployed in March 2011 near the southern city of Beersheba, 40 kilometers from the Gaza Strip, and a favorite Hamas target to combat Soviet-designed Grad rockets fired from the Palestinian territory. Israel now has at least 10 such batteries. How does the Iron Dome system work? Considered one of the most advanced defense systems in the world, the Iron Dome uses a radar in order to identify and destroy air-based threats before they can cause any damage. Israel's wider air defense shield also includes David's sling and arrow to identify and eliminate medium and long-range threats like drones and planes. Another air defense system by the Israeli military is Arrow 3, which was designed to intercept and counter ballistic missiles outside the atmosphere of the Earth. Due to the high success rate over the past decade and the backing from the US, Iron Dome has received international attention. Rafael in 2020 said that it delivered 2 Iron Dome batteries to the US. Iron Dome consists of truck-towed units, each of which fires radar-guided missiles to counter short-range threats including rockets, mortars, and drones while they are mid-air. The all-weather system does not shoot down all the rockets on Israel's radar. It uses an artificial intelligence-based mechanism to first determine whether an incoming rocket is an intercepted threat and will hit a populated area. If not, the Iron Dome ignores the rocket and lets it enter Israel's airspace. The cost to launch an Iron Dome interceptor ranges between $50,000 and $100,000. How did Hamas dodge the Iron Dome system? In the latest Hamas attack, the Israel's air defense system, equipped with sophisticated sensors, proved no match for the heavy explosives unleashed by Hamas militants as they burst into Israel. Hamas has for several years now been trying to find a weakness in the Iron Dome system. The Palestinian militant group has been successful in doing so by firing multiple rockets in a short span, making it difficult for the control system to intercept all targets. In Saturday's attack, over 5,000 rockets were launched in just 20 minutes. As per reports, the Iron Dome anti-rocket defense system intercepted around 90% of Gaza rockets. Hamas is also developing its crude rocket technology, and it has increased its range to cover major cities of Israel including Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. Moreover, a rocket launched by Hamas is much cheaper than the Tamar missile fired to intercept it. Each launch by the Iron Dome costs almost $50,000.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.